Artificial intelligence has become a game changer in almost every industry. From content creation and marketing to healthcare and education, AI tools are transforming the way we work, learn, and interact with technology. But here's the thing: just because AI is powerful doesn't mean it's foolproof. Many people, even tech-savvy ones, fall into common traps when using AI. These mistakes can lead to wasted time, poor results, and even costly errors. Today, we're diving deep into 5 of the most common mistakes people make when using AI tools. By understanding these pitfalls, you'll be able to use AI more effectively, save time, and get the best results. Stick around to the end, because we'll also talk about how to avoid these mistakes and use AI to its fullest potential. Mistake number 1: expecting AI to do everything perfectly. One of the biggest misconceptions about AI is that it's some kind of magic button that instantly produces perfect results. AI is a tool, it's not a human brain, and it's certainly not flawless. For example, AI writing tools can generate articles, scripts, and even books. But if you rely on them without reviewing or editing, you might end up with generic, inaccurate, or even nonsensical content. AI-generated text often lacks a true human touch. It might be grammatically correct, but it can still sound robotic or repetitive. The same goes for AI image generators. They can create stunning visuals, but they often struggle with details like human hands, text, and certain stylistic nuances. AI-based video editors and voice generators also have limitations. The key takeaway here: AI is an assistant, not a replacement. If you use it as a tool to enhance your work rather than do everything for you, you'll get much better results. Mistake number 2: not giving clear and detailed prompts. AI tools work best when they have clear instructions. Vague prompts lead to vague results. Let's take AI chatbots as an example. If you type "write an article about social media marketing," you'll get a very generic response. But if you say, "write a 1000-word article on social media marketing strategies for small businesses," focusing on Instagram and TikTok, with real-world examples, the AI has a much better idea of what you want. The same applies to AI image generators. Instead of saying "create a picture of a cat," try something like, "generate a hyper-realistic digital painting of a fluffy white Persian cat sitting on a vintage wooden table with soft lighting and a cozy background." The more specific you are, the better the AI's output. Think of AI as a highly skilled but extremely literal assistant. It will do exactly what you ask, so make sure your instructions are clear. Mistake number 3: ignoring data privacy and security risks. AI tools often require access to data, sometimes a lot of it. This can be a huge privacy risk if you're not careful. Many AI tools collect user data to improve their algorithms. While this can lead to better performance, it also raises concerns about how your data is stored, used, or shared. If you're using AI tools for business purposes, you need to be especially careful about confidential information. For instance, if you're using an AI chatbot to analyze customer data, you need to make sure that sensitive information isn't being exposed to third parties. The same goes for AI-powered transcription tools. If you're uploading private meetings or conversations, make sure the platform has strong security measures. Always check the privacy policies of any AI tool you use. If an AI tool offers encryption or offline modes, take advantage of those features. And if you're handling sensitive information, consider using AI tools that run locally rather than cloud-based options that require data uploads. Mistake number 4: overlooking AI bias and inaccuracies. AI models are trained on massive datasets, but that doesn't mean they're always accurate or fair. AI can reflect biases present in the data it was trained on. For example, some AI hiring tools have been found to favor certain demographics over others. AI-generated content can also spread misinformation if it pulls from unreliable sources. Even AI-driven financial tools can make poor predictions if their data is flawed. One major issue is that many people trust AI output without questioning it. If an AI tool provides a fact, people assume it must be correct. But AI doesn't know anything. It generates results based on patterns, not true understanding. Always verify AI-generated information before using it, especially in professional or academic settings. Cross-check sources, fact-check AI-generated articles, and be aware of potential biases. AI is an incredible tool, but it still requires human oversight. Mistake number 5: not keeping up with AI updates and improvements. AI technology evolves rapidly. What worked 6 months ago might already be outdated. If you're not keeping up with AI updates, you could be missing out on major improvements. Developers are constantly refining AI models to make them faster, smarter, and more accurate. If you're using an older version of an AI tool, you might be dealing with unnecessary limitations. For example, early AI voice generators had very robotic tones. Today, they can sound almost human, but only if you're using the latest versions. The same goes for AI-powered video editing, design tools, and chatbots. Finally, stay updated. AI is evolving fast, and new features are constantly being added. Follow AI news, watch tutorials, and explore new tools to keep up with advancements. AI has the power to transform the way we work, create, and solve problems. But to truly harness its potential, we need to use it wisely. By avoiding these common mistakes and adopting a smart approach, you'll get the best results from AI while staying efficient, secure, and creative.